Hi, welcome to this video on data sorting part 1. In this video, we're going to look at how to sort data using selected order, either ascending or descending order. We'll also look at how data can be sorted using multiple header criteria. Now, we have this data with staff number, department, and the ratings 1 to 3, as well as total rating. Now, total rating is the sum of the 3 ratings. Now, if you want to sort this data using, let's assume we are sorting this data by department, because if we look at the order here, there's no particular order in which the departments are arranged. We have finance first, there's admin. Now going down again, you can see finance and admin. So that means there's no particular order. So if we decide to sort this by department so that A departments come first before B, the first thing is to highlight the whole of your data. So I'm going to highlight the whole of this. Having highlighted that, we click on the data tab. So I'm going to click on the data tab, and to the right I'll see a group, sort and filter. Now select the box sort. Now when you select that box, you get this argument box. Now you have here sort by. Now we have my data has headers. Now this is tick, showing that the selected data, the first row of the selected data, is a header row. So now if you click on sort by, you will see all the various column headers. Now if you have 50, 20, 30 headers, you see all of them displayed here. Now I'm going to do sorting by department. So I select on department. Now cell value is already a value there, so I'm not going to tamper with that. And then I have the order here, A to Z. That means I'm sorting from the first alphabet to the last. I can also decide to sort in descending order, which is from Z to A. So for a start, let's start with A to Z. And I'm sorting by department, which means the A departments will come before B, and I'll select OK. Now you see that admin has come in before audit down to finance, and the last department is operation. Now let me undo this. If I decide to sort this by department as well as total rating, what I'll do is highlight the data as usual, come to this place, and I select, I'm sorting first by department in this order. Now I need also to sort by total rating. Then when I get the department, I want to see either the highest or the lowest person in the department. Now I come here and add another level. If I click on add level, it's asking me, I'm sorting by department, then by, I select this. I'm also sorting by total rating. Now I can, let's use largest to smallest. So it means each of the department will start with the highest rating, and I select OK. Now I have admin here, and this taking 241 as the first admin person, followed by 211. You can see that this side is in descending order, and if you move to the next department, which is audit, after admin you have audit, which is here. You notice that audit is the highest person in audit, and it goes down that way. Now that's how to sort using multiple criteria. Now we have done this sorting using the tab approach, which is the ribbon approach, data, and then the sort icon. But you can also sort using a different approach. Now if I want to sort by department, just place your cursor anywhere on that department. Just place it anywhere and press your Alt key and letter ASA. Now each time you're pressing the Alt key, most of the time you don't press it together. So press the Alt key, take out your finger and press the other letters independently. So I'm going to press Alt, the letter A, S, and A. So I take Alt A, S, A. Now pressing Alt A, S, A has sorted this by department because I had my cursor on department. So I can undo to take it back. Now if I intend to sort by total rating, I place my cursor there and I say Alt A, S, A. Now I have sorted by total rating. Now what I've done, I cannot use multiple criteria for this. I just sorted only by one column criteria. Okay. Now, another way to sort your data is simply to place your cursor in the department. Now come to this place and decide whether you are sorting by ascending or descending. Now the first icon here is saying A to Z, which is ascending, and this is showing Z to A. If I'm sorting by A to Z, I come here and click on this. Now you notice that I have already sorted in ascending order. If I intend to sort by descending order, I come to this place. Now you notice I have not highlighted anywhere. I just place my cursor on the column I intend to sort by. So I come here and I click on this, and that is all that had to be done, sorting with particular column and sorting by multiple criteria. Thank you very much for listening. In the next video, we're going to see other criteria for data sorting. Bye-bye.